So, Fede, there's a misconception about shyness and being an introvert, being an extrovert, and being an ambivert. Young Tol. So, what is an introvert? What is an extrovert? And what is an ambivert? And how, listen to lazy, have nothing to do with you being shy or not. Young Tol. So, what is an introvert? Yabo, an introvert umuntu who prefers ama-internal stimulations compared to ama-external stimulation. Has nothing to do with you being shy. Yabo. You can be umfundisi every Sunday ukhulume nebandla enabantu more than 10 and not be shy ukuma phambi kwalo ibandla lakho ukhulume yabo. Or you can be a class teacher every day ukhulume nama-students more than 50 and not be shy yabo. But after having a long day as an introvert ngathi ungahamba uhlale uyi-one yabo, so you can replenish your energy yabo. That's the main important thing ukuthi after having a long day, after wonke lama-external stimulation ngathi ungahamba ube yi-one khona uzozithola back energy yakho back yabo. But ama-extroverts wona, they get energy from being around abantu yabo. That's what external stimulation yiyo into they prefer yabo. So as an extrovert you can still be shy ukuthi ungabi ube shy ukukhuluma in front of abantu, but ufune uba around abantu yabo. It's about being around people mara not actually being the main center of attention. You can be an extrovert mara not have confidence yabo. And you can be an introvert and have confidence. You can be an introvert and not be shy, and you can be an extrovert and be shy yabo. It's not about shyness and not being shy. It's about it's about what stimulates you. Like after having a long day, an introvert izothi ngathi ngayohlala nge-one, an extrovert izothi ngathi ngahlala around abantu khona ngizobuya emandleni yabo. Then an ambivert umuntu who has the best of both worlds yabo. Sometimes uyi-introvert, sometimes uyi-extrovert, sometimes ngathi angahlala ayi-one, sometimes ngathi angahlala around abantu to gain back i-energy yakhe yabo. So yonke le thing has nothing to do with being shy. So when are you an introvert or are you an extrovert or are you an ambivert?